good person. Don't be a good
funny.
person. It's funny. You did the funny thing. Wow.
โอเคนอกฟอกว่างไว้เนี่ย
How far along is this? Why am I dropped right here? Fuck.
Okay.
That there's someone doing the distant dark tide.
Ha. I hate that mission.
Hunter rank 999.
I hate doing it.
Actually,
Hunter rank?
999.
What about master
MR
rank?
473.
holy shit.
Crimson
Oh, I'm doing this
Kadachi
one
line.
right now, and I can't just leave, so
What do you call it?
unfortunately.
Crimson, I found a way to farm master rank in this game. So like, it's based on the premise that when you leave a quest, there are now two instances of that monster in both versions, right? So if you leave a quest and then capture your own monster, and then come back into the quest and recapture the monster do that over and over again, you can basically infinitely capture the same monster and get an infinite amount of MR in a very short period of time.
Sounds like a pointless.
You know, or you
Pain
just
in the
have fun
ass.
playing the game and just killing monsters.
It's very fucking
You know,
fast.
or you just have fun playing the game and killing the monsters.
But for doing something like farming for MR, it's so fucking tedious.
Yes, but the game is Monster Hunter, not Monster Exploiter.
Yeah.
Well, it's very nice.
No, it's a very nice patch. The feeling when you kill monsters.
Well, also, just getting free MR is very nice.
I'm roasting Rathalos tails, and I'm getting free might pills.
What the?
Yes. Oh, wait, no. The Negrigante pit patch. You know the Negrigante pit?
For what?
Know what it's good for, Patch? The Verna Negrigante pit?
What the fuck is this?
The little fun arena that it's in.
Oh, what's it good for?
It's good for smacking its face with a hammer. Ah, ooh, touch me more! Oh my. I'm not the only one.
Wow, I hate my fucking luck.
Where am
You know what I just realized? I realized that I'm not using the correct weapon
What
because
element?
I'm retarded. I'm using water.
That's fine. Do you have a farcaster by any chance?
Nope.
It's very unfortunate, actually. I would
It
prefer
is.
if you would have had a farcaster.
I agree. But
We can't all help if we want. So, I think...
this is why we can't have nice things.
Yeah, no, because you keep forgetting to take the fucking weapon.
Yes. Oh, wow.
Really broken. Keep it up. Thank you, Captain Obvious. Sorry you can't just see it when it says, oh, breaking parts.
Well, I just realized I'm really fucking low. What the hell?
Only you would just retardedly say, oh, I really fucked.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh, it slapped me out of the sky. That's new.
Is he mobbing?
Oh, it's fucking
Fingers.
mauling.
Ow, holy shit. Okay, that's not right.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Katsig, can you mount Shara Ishval?
No,
Oh, that's a shame.
I've never mounted it in my life. Never been able to, no matter how hard I fly over it. No matter how many spacebar left clicks with glider mantle I've done.
I'm gonna perfect guard that fucking dumbass dude.
Good luck.
How many deaths do we have left? We need at least one.
Wait, no one died, right?
No, funny joke, no. It's gonna be me in a second.
Wait, did someone actually die already?
No. I hope.
Fuck.
You got caught out by that little road.
It's still wall bangable, by the way.
Fingers, that's what I meant. His fingers are very tender. And they like to touch me.
What is the Rathion? Week 2 again. Dragon, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thunder, I believe.
No, that's the gold Rathian.
That's the gold.
Oh, fuck, I DC'd.
You cannot.
Oh, you piece of shit.
You must not be kidding me. Ow. You must be kidding me. You must be fucking.
I DC'd. Fuck this game.
Would you like these servers? Man?
I hate these servers.
You know what I love?
Man.
I love
Oh
refrigerators.
my god. Oh, twice in a row.
How much do you love a man?
Appliance Direct. They're back.
I really love him.
Yeah, you really love him.
My game's just frozen now.
That's normal. In the scene with the game character, it's pretty normal. to see that frozen like that.
What do I do? Like alt F4?
No, don't.
No.
Uh,
Wait. Just wait.
You have to wait, or else the game will just be
Oh, okay. Well, now I'm in this by myself.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. And then
that's
now
fine.
you abandon quest.
Or you don't.
Or
just
you
keep
solo
playing.
it.
Not
Or
when you
you
solo
solo
one, the
it.
monster actually does have less health. And this is Shara Ishvala. He doesn't move as much as, you know, fucking Barry off or some shit.
Where are its eyes? Is it open? No.
Why does it look like it's having an orgasm when it does that?
No, I know. That attack is so it's so weird because it just gets coming like real.
I love refrigerators.
It's just coming real good when it does that attack. It's one of my favorites. I love it when it like this. It looks like it's about to come.
I love refrigerators.
Can we break the salad thing this?
I don't think so.
Just start with like whatever thing that resembles a tail that says that it has.
I don't think so. I've never seen tail severed.
eyes are open. Yes.
Wait, when its eyes open, does it mean it's low
They're
or something?
pretty low, yeah.
Okay. My eyes are still
Who
closed.
the hell just try to flash?
I don't legitimately just fucking around this way. The Shara is not.
Touch just tried
Oh
to
my
flash
God.
to Shara.
His eyes are open. Oh wait, can I forgot. I haven't done this thing since I started like the first time. I did not.
What is that radius?
Oh, I downed it? Okay.
Look at the cup. Oh fuck me.
Oh, everything's sand. Oh no.
Oh my god, this is a horrible situation to be in.
Oh, its eyes are open. Okay. Oh, that's so fucking freaky.
It tracks your camera as well, not even your character, so it's like really fucking this isn't you. Yeah, like as the player, whatever.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh. Oh no.
Are you fucking kidding me?
What are you kidding me with?
Stupid ass game.
No, how many deaths are left?
I actually didn't check. I think it was 2. But on the bright side, I can
Look
change
at
my
that
weapons
cursed
now.
ass face when it's down. Jesus Christ.
Oh, I absolutely hate it. What the fuck is that? Ew. Ooh,
Yeah, lose connection.
good.
Monster Hunter servers are fucking atrocious.
Oh, they're
Yeah, I
amazing.
agree.
Man. What are you talking about? They're my favorite. Don't you just love having to do a hunt alone?
They make Ubisoft servers look fine sometimes.
I might need to.
Oh fuck.
I might need to heal. I can't get it. Oh. Well. Okay. Another waste of nutrients to get up to full health.
Oh no. Oh fuck, it's ulting. I'm fucked. Holy mother of God. So yeah, someone died, and that someone was me.
Wow. I forgot how annoying the fucking rocks were.
I broke apart. Oh my god, what the fuck?
But Mao.
Yeah, I hate how Shara has no tell that it's on low health. It just dies. Or not, but yeah, not. Shara will just fucking die. It won't even. You won't know that it's on low health.
It'll just die. Yeah.
It'll just die from a random hit.
Holy shit.
Seems like that is such a horrible Poogie skin.
I know, right?
Kind of like that with Xeno'jiiva too, though.
Okay, yeah, that's true. No, but Shara is more random. It'll just die.
I hate your character sounds.
Large barrel bomb.
I don't hate the Xeno'jiiva, but I do hate the
Barrel
Arc Tempered one.
Fuck.
Oh shit, I died. Fuck, fuck, fuck,
You
fuck,
know
fuck,
what that
fuck,
means,
fuck.
Nand.
That means I have one more life remaining.
Oh, here I got what I needed. Okay, well, that's all I needed.
Well, Patch, I'm not gonna fucking complete my mission. Holy shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no.
Seems like you're having a bit of trouble. Sounds like you're not liking your current situation, Nand. But that's alright. Everything will be alright.
Holy.
Everything will be alright.
It's fucking insane.
Everything will be alright, Nand.
Please fucking die already. I don't want. Oh no. This is giving me fucking like high blood pressure. No, 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 no.
Like the
Okay,
sound
okay,
of
okay.
me.
That's not fun. That's not fun. Okay. Not fun, not fun, not fun. Not funny. Not funny. Didn't laugh. Not funny. Oh, my cat just got fucking domed. My cat has probably died like 20 times already. What the fuck?
Well, not. You've also died a lot of times.
True, true. I just want to point out that my cat uses a ranged weapon,
Fucking pussy.
and
Imagine using a ranged weapon on your cat when you could use a book.
Imagine using a cat.
oh, I'm so stupid.
You just realized?
I thought it was yellow taco.
Oh. Seems someone has fucked up.
Oh my god. Oh no. Fuck me, man. You piece of shit, dragon. Fuck.
It's
Ah. Yep.
That's nice. That's very nice. I'm really enjoying the sense of your suffering, by the way.
I didn't get what I did. Fuck.
What did you need? Like a tender plate or something?
Yeah.
Oh, tender plate, it's what do you call it? Focus the head. That's the only way you get it.
Well, Patch. I die.
Yes.
Okay, we go again.
You wanna do you have one right now?
No.
Hmm.
Piece of shit, this fucking dog shit server. I have to disconnect.
Yeah. It's annoying. Well, that's life, I guess, and also shitty service. You know, normal thing, very normal thing.
Fuck, let's do the recon then.
Okay.